Namaste and welcome to this yoga class focused on the third eye chakra, Ajna. As we embark on this journey of self-discovery and inner wisdom, let's take a moment to delve into the essence of the third eye chakra. The third eye chakra, or Ajna as it is known in Sanskrit, is the sixth chakra in our line of energy centers. Nestled snugly between your eyebrows, just above the bridge of your nose, this chakra is your beacon of intuition, mental clarity, and inner vision. Imbued with the mystical color of indigo, the third eye chakra transcends the limitations of the physical realm. It is your personal radar, helping you see beyond the obvious, beyond the tangible. It allows you to tap into a higher level of consciousness and perceive spiritual truth. Imagine it as a third eye, a window in your forehead that opens to dimensions unseen, to realms unexplored. It's a space that, when open and balanced, can be a powerful tool to navigate the complexities of life with grace and wisdom. But how do we tap into this potent source of intuition and mental clarity? How do we open and activate our third eye? Yoga, my friends, is the key. In this class, we will navigate through a yoga sequence specifically designed to awaken and stimulate your third eye chakra. As we move through each asana, this practice will serve as a conduit, channeling energy to this center, enhancing your intuition, increasing mental clarity, and connecting you with your inner wisdom. So whether you are a seasoned yogi or a curious beginner, I invite you to join this journey of self-discovery. Let's unfurl the mat, assume the lotus position, and set our intentions. Let's open our minds and hearts to the wisdom of the third eye chakra. Today, I will guide you through a yoga sequence specifically designed to open and activate your third eye. Let's breathe in clarity, exhale doubt, and embark on this journey of self-discovery together. Let's start in a lotus position or comfortably sit with your legs crossed. Close your eyes gently and bring your focus to the space between your eyebrows, the location of the third eye chakra. Feel the gentle ebb and flow of your breath as it fills this space, nurturing it with life-giving energy. Now let's warm up our bodies with a few rounds of sun salutation. As you flow through each movement, visualize the sun's energy entering your body, illuminating your third eye chakra. Inhale as you reach up towards the sky, exhale as you fold forward, grounding yourself into the earth. Repeat this sequence 3 times, taking a moment to pause and feel the energy circulating in your body. Moving on, we'll transition into Warrior Two pose. Stand with your feet wide apart, stretch your arms out to the sides, and turn your right foot out 90 degrees. Bend your right knee, keeping your gaze focused over your right fingertips. Visualize a beam of indigo light shooting out from your third eye, reaching towards your fingertips. Hold this pose for 5 deep breaths, then switch sides. Next, we'll enter into the tree pose. Stand tall, shift your weight onto your right foot, and place your left foot on your right inner thigh. Bring your hands together in a prayer position at your heart, then slowly raise them above your head. Balance here, feeling your roots grounding you while your branches reach towards the sky. As you hold this pose, imagine your third eye blossoming like a lotus flower, its indigo petals unfolding one by one. Now, let's transition into the child's pose. Kneel on your mat, then sit back on your heels. Stretch your arms forward and lower your forehead to the mat. As you rest here, visualize a wave of indigo light washing over you, cleansing and recharging your third eye. Lastly, let's move into the corpse pose. Lie flat on your back, arms resting by your sides, palms facing upwards. Close your eyes and allow your body to relax completely. Imagine a stream of indigo light flowing from your third eye, bathing your entire body in its healing energy. Breathing is essential for balancing the third eye chakra. Inhale deeply, filling your body with vibrant life force energy. As you exhale, imagine releasing any blockages or negativity that may be hindering your third eye. Continue this deep and mindful breathing, allowing it to stimulate and energize your third eye. Remember, yoga is not about achieving the perfect pose, but about connecting with yourself on a deeper level. As we move through these asanas, pay attention to the sensations in your third eye area and let your breath guide you. As we conclude this sequence, take a moment to sit in silence, observing any changes in your body or mind. Keep this feeling of openness and clarity with you as we move on to the next part of our practice, a guided meditation to further strengthen our connection with the third eye chakra. As we progress in our practice, let's delve into a guided meditation aimed at strengthening the connection with your intuition and inner wisdom. This meditation is designed to bring your focus to the third eye chakra, the center of intuition, wisdom, and foresight. Begin by finding a comfortable seated position. You may choose to sit on a cushion, a yoga mat, or a chair, whatever feels most comfortable to you. Rest your hands gently on your knees, palms facing upwards in a gesture of receptivity. Close your eyes gently, drawing your attention inward. Visualize yourself in a space of calm and tranquility. This is your personal sanctuary, a place where you can reconnect with your inner self. Now, bring your focus to the space between your eyebrows, the location of your third eye chakra. Imagine a small indigo flame flickering in this space. This is the light of your intuition, your inner wisdom. As you breathe in, visualize this light growing brighter and brighter. As you breathe out, imagine this light radiating outwards, illuminating your inner vision. Let's move deeper into the meditation. Maintain your focus on the indigo light. As you continue to breathe in and out, imagine this light expanding, filling your entire headspace with its calming indigo glow. Feel the light pulsating, vibrating with wisdom and insight. Allow this light to guide you, to show you the path to your inner truth. Remember, it's okay if your mind wanders. If you find yourself getting distracted, gently bring your attention back to the indigo light in your third eye chakra. Don't judge yourself or get frustrated. Meditation is a practice, and it's perfectly normal for the mind to drift. The key is to notice when your mind has wandered and to bring it back gently, without judgment. As you continue to meditate, you might start to feel a sense of calmness, clarity, or insight. These are signs that your third eye chakra is opening, becoming more balanced. Embrace these feelings. They are a testament to your commitment to your spiritual growth. Now, slowly begin to draw your attention back to your physical surroundings. Feel the ground beneath you, the air around you. Hear the sounds in your environment. Slowly flutter your eyes open, bringing your meditation to a close. Take a moment to silently thank yourself for dedicating this time to your well-being, for honoring your intuition, your inner wisdom. Remember, meditation is a journey, not a destination. The more you practice, the more you'll deepen your connection with your third eye chakra, and the more you'll cultivate your intuition and inner wisdom. As we conclude this meditation, carry the sense of clarity and insight with you into your day. Remember, your intuition is a powerful guide. Trust it, listen to it, and most importantly, honor it. It is the voice of your inner self, the voice of your third eye chakra. We conclude our yoga practice centered on the third eye, Ajna. It's been an enlightening journey, one that has connected us more deeply with the core of our intuition and mental clarity. The beauty of this practice is not just in the physical postures, but in the internal exploration that we've undertaken together. Think back on the sensations you experienced during the asanas, that gentle pressure between your eyebrows, the calm and focus that seeped into your mind as we navigated through each posture. Each breath you took was a step towards balance, towards an open and activated third eye chakra. Remember the feeling of your third eye, Ajna, glowing with a vibrant indigo light during our meditation. That light is a symbol of your intuitive power, your ability to see beyond the obvious, to perceive spiritual truths. It is a testament to your inner wisdom, which is always there, waiting for you to tap into it. This practice is not a one-time experience. The more you engage with it, the more you will feel its benefits. It's a journey of self-discovery, of finding that balance between the physical and the spiritual, the outer and the inner. The third eye chakra is your gateway to a higher consciousness, to a world beyond the tangible. You've done an amazing job today. You've taken the time to nurture your body, mind, and spirit. You've shown dedication, patience, and openness, all of which are key to a successful yoga practice. Give yourself a moment of appreciation. You deserve it. And remember, yoga is not about perfecting a posture. It's about the journey, the experience, the connection you build with yourself. So keep practicing, keep exploring, and keep opening your third eye, Ajna. If you found this practice beneficial, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with others. Let's spread the light of yoga, the light of inner wisdom, and bring more clarity and balance into the world. Namaste, and may you have a day filled with clarity and inner wisdom.